Ever heard of a company that began in a spare room and went on to change the world? Apple, Amazon, Infosys. Every big name was once a small cap company waiting to be discovered. The early believers, they didn't just invest, they spotted potential. Small cap companies are typically those ranked 251st and beyond in terms of market capitalization on the stock exchanges. As per SEBI's classification, they may be smaller in size, but they can be big on growth potential in the long run. They are usually young, fast-moving businesses across sectors like manufacturing, tech, and capital goods. They've gone from small size to big impact. But yes, they can be volatile. That's why picking quality companies and staying invested for the long term matters. And if you're ready to invest in their growth potential, introducing the Bajaj Finserv Small Cap Fund. One portfolio, three strengths: quality, growth, and value.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.